This is my friend Frosty. Frosty and I have been dating for Come here. Excuse me. Frosty and I have been. Excuse me. Frosty and I have been dating. Hey! You suck! I told you it hurt. Ow! I told you it hurt.
Watch so Ollie doesn't step in that.
Turn the thing off.
How do you get blood on it? Where'd that come from?
What? Jonah, it's bleeding everywhere. Where did that come from? Maybe it was on my finger.